Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Rikuro cheesecake using an easy method. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 250 grams of cream cheese, 60 grams of unsalted butter, 100 milliliters of milk, and 4 egg yolks. For the meringue, prepare 4 egg whites, 60 grams of granulated sugar, and 10 grams of cornstarch. Ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for the best, smoothest batter. This simple list sets us up for a delightful, fluffy dessert. Now, let's create the creamy base. Gently melt 250 grams of cream cheese with 60 grams of butter and 100 milliliters of milk in a double boiler or over very low heat, stirring until completely smooth. Remove from heat and whisk in 4 egg yolks, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finally, sift in 30 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of cornstarch, mixing gently until just combined. This forms our rich, flavorful batter. The meringue is crucial for that signature fluffiness. In a clean bowl, whip 4 egg whites until foamy, then gradually add 60 grams of granulated sugar, continuing to whip until stiff, glossy peaks form. Gently fold 1/3 of this light meringue into your cream cheese batter to lighten it. Then, carefully fold in the remaining meringue in 2 more additions, being careful not to deflate the air. This gentle process ensures a light, airy texture. Almost there, pour your batter into a 6-inch springform pan lined with parchment paper. Place the pan into a larger baking dish, then add hot water, creating a water bath. Bake at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes. Turn off the oven and let it cool slowly with the door ajar for 15 minutes. Serve warm or chilled for that iconic jiggly, fluffy texture. Enjoy your homemade Rikuro cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.